Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Destiny Rising app not working, not launching, crashing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on Android phone. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android phone. So simply restart your Android device and then you can launch the Destiny Rising app and check if it is working or not. Second solution is to check for the internet connection. So make sure your internet is working properly, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi then connect to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Third solution is to check for Destiny Rising app update. So open Play Store, then tap on search and here search for Destiny Rising. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear Destiny Rising app cache file. So tap and hold Destiny Rising app icon, then click on app info, then go to storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then you can launch Destiny Rising app and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN. Now you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store. So there are lots of VPN app available on the Play Store. So you can install any of them of your choice, then launch the VPN app and connect to different location than our current location, and then you can launch the Destiny Rising app and check. And if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch Destiny Rising app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these solutions and if still your problem is not fixed, then last solution is to uninstall Destiny Rising app and then reinstall it. So simply tap and hold the Destiny Rising app, then click on uninstall option and then confirm the uninstall. And after the installation has been done, open Play Store, search for Destiny Rising app and download it from the Play Store. And after that you can launch the Destiny Rising app and check if your problem is fixed or not. So by following these solutions you can fix the Destiny Rising app not working, not launching, won't launch, crash, stuck on loading screen or not loading or black screen problem on Android device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.